Hello everyone, my name is Raymond Rowe. I put up this application earlier today. I launched it. And what we were trying to determine actually was to see a more complicated puzzles app that, what already exists on Facebook. So right now on Facebook you have like these IQ tests that kind of determine intelligence. And what we were kind of trying to see was, okay, these IQ tests are just one-off tests. And what if you have a continuous test, like, we pose a question, a difficult question once a day, and it's an ongoing, not test, but competition amongst your friends to see who exactly is, the most intelligent amongst your friends, the most intelligent amongst your coworkers, or even amongst everyone on Facebook. So, literally we actually did this, launched it today, we started on Thursday, and we thought, why not? Let's just, present it here. So the application is essentially one of two things. Each day we come up with our own content, and we present two questions. There's the standard question, which we expect everyone to get, and then we have the brain splitter, which would take, maybe a couple more minutes to involve yourself with. So I'll give you an example question that we have today. It's called 9 Cottages. If you read it, it says 3 men, Tom, Peter, and Jack, and 3 women, Eliza, Ann, and Karen, are spending a few months at a hillside. They're staying in a row of 9 cottages, each one living in his or her own cottage. There are no others staying in the same row of houses, right? So these are like test questions that you might have had in the past, and we kind of came up with these like logic scenarios about what situations it actually comes with, right? So we thought, okay, let's see. We present this question. Let's let the user answer this and see what happens, right? They want to see whether they get it right or wrong, and you're exacted a certain number of points if you're correct. So if I hit A only as this choice here, I'll submit it, right? So as most gaming apps are, there's a lock function here that, in order for you to move forward, you're going to have to invite 5 people. Or what you can do, we don't want to necessarily make the users spam their friends. And these aren't just like requests going out. We bundle these up with notifications, emails, and stuff like that. We actually integrated what we saw earlier. So yeah, we are kind of spamming. We thought we'll give this option. Social Mints actually came to us last week and said, why don't you integrate this in one of your other applications? And we thought, well, we're building this application, why not? So the user has this option of paying by mints here. And before I demo how the mints application works within our app, I'll just go ahead and just invite some of my friends to this app. Very simple to do, as you can see. And I'll send them an invitation. Boom, pretty simple. Okay, now apparently I've gotten the question wrong. It says better luck next time. And whatever I had chosen was incorrect. Now a lot of people will be curious, okay, what was the solution, what is the answer? We can give the person the answer, but at the same time you might want the solution too.
$1?
So hey, let's invite another 5 friends, or better yet, let's try this. Let's pay by mints. I just want to see the solution because I don't want to spam any more of my friends. Mint application comes up, purchase the solution for 100 mints. The user does that. I'll go ahead and buy that solution. I'm assuming I'll get my money back for this demo, right? So I am using real mints. Let's see what happens now. Okay, so it takes me to the social mints thing. I got to confirm this transaction for 100 mints. And then I go back, sorry, obviously I didn't get it right, I knew that from last time, but hey, I can download the solution. And unfortunately, I'm not going to show you guys the solution because I do want you guys to try it out. And you can take it from there. But, so that's actually a simple question. I think most people in the room would get that, so it wouldn't be anything you guys would be forced to purchase. But here's a little bit more of a complicated question. I actually gave this question to my dad last night. He's a mechanical engineer. And it took him actually 2.5 hours to solve this. But I'll just quickly read you the question, and it'll make all of you guys really think about this, because it's an interesting math question. I was a total math geek in college, so I love these types of problems. I'll just read it real quick. I know Kieran's going to tell me time's up pretty soon.
Now you got 5 minutes.
Okay, I got 5 minutes, nice. Okay, 5 men and a monkey were shipwrecked on a desert island. They spent the first day gathering coconuts for